Hello everybody guys, this is my first tutorial and now I'm going to show you how to create HISM objects for your optimization, and I'll create HISM objects especially for my hologram. I have a kind of this hologram where I have a lot of similar meshes. I want to unite them into one single mesh. Yeah, so let's begin. First of all, I have a blueprint already, this one, and now I'm in the construction script, and now I'm going to add hierarchical instanced static mesh component. Yeah, that's how the node looks, and it's responsible for HISM objects. And then from the return value, I'm going to set static mesh. That's what the mesh will be of this mod of all instances of this object. Actually, let's make a sequence, and then I'm going to add instances. So you either could add one instance or add instances at one single time. And here it demands an array with instance transforms, and so I should prepare this array. So let's promote variable. Now we have it here, and so instance transforms. Okay. Then it will be a relative transform. That's why we don't have to check on this boolean. And let's add a variable quantity. Let's make x quantity, and it will be an integer. And let's duplicate it. It will be z quantity, and as you may notice, we make an array of instances. Yeah, and they will be public to let us set some settings here in the details panel. Yeah, this blueprint is different. Now I'm creating something brand new, because this one is not very suitable for my certain task. It doesn't have any HISM optimization. So the next step is let's make a for loop. And it would be much better to make a sequence for organizing everything. Yeah, that's how it looks more logical. It makes better sense. And let's pull x quantity here, and let's go through all numbers in it, and let's set this array. Actually, no, let's try this one. What does it do? Yeah, that's how we need to do. No, actually, let's add. Yeah, that's how it works. And also I need the second for loop just for z quantity. Okay. And let's connect these two nodes. And yeah, I can make some mistakes because I'm recording it right in the real time. I didn't prepare. So maybe I will cut off some parts of this video to make it quicker for you. So yeah, let's add. What are we going to add? Okay, I know. So it's a kind of an array at the same time, and HISM object. So x distance, and it will be float, and the same we are going to make for z distance, and they are public as well because we want to set up them. So then I'm going to split this struct, and location I'm going to split it as well, and index we multiply by z distance, and we're going to save it into this parameter, and we are going to do the same with x index, and we are going to multiply it with x quantity and x distance. You know what I mean? And I'm going to put it here, and actually we can make the same for y axis, but I don't want to make the tutorial long. That's why I think it's enough. And that's how we prepare all instance transforms for our HISM. And the static mesh, just for this tutorial, I'm going to promote it, and I'm going to make it public, and I think that is it. I'm not sure. Let's figure out. Okay. So let's make. Oh, you know, it can. Maybe it can make an error. I'm not sure. Let's check. And let's save, just in case it will not work. It will crash. Static mesh. Yeah, I think it's good. here it is. Let's make like 5 and 5. Let's make the distance 10 and 10, and let's drop a snowflake here. Yeah, and let's make the distance bigger, and let's make the distance, where is my cursor? Yeah, here it is. Let's make the distance bigger again, and voila, we have an HISM object, and the Unreal Engine treats it like a single object now. It does treat it like 25 objects, and that's very good for draw calls. For example, here you can see draw, so like 40 is because there are a lot of different objects, and if I united them into one single object, the draw would be much faster, much lower. That's why you need to watch after quantity of meshes, single meshes into your map. And the last thing which I would like to add is set material. And let's again promote to a variable, and let's make it public. And here now I have a material, and let's make it blue. And for some reason it doesn't work. I don't know why. So let's figure out. Here I see I didn't connect the input. Yeah. Now you can see snowflakes hologram as a hologram of snowflakes, and then I'm going to make it animated, and that's probably not for this tutorial. Maybe I'll record the second part of this tutorial. Yeah. So stay tuned. That's how people say, right? And you can watch my other tutorials or videos, and I'll show you how I animate these snowflakes. Goodbye.